Hi everyone, it's Coralie Dee here. Welcome to my video. So today we're going to be looking at what I eat in a day. A lot of people ask this question because I do a lot. I'll train a lot, I compete a lot. I mainly do triathlons, rowing, CrossFit, and a lot of open water swimming. So for the most part, I mainly eat whole foods, and a great big deal of that. So today I have already been training. I got up at 5:30 and I went to the gym for 6. I did an hour of strength and conditioning, and the only thing that I've had so far is some water. Now I'm going to take you through the rest of the day and show you what else I have. Start with more of this. You ready? Let's go. When it comes to eating before, during, or after either training or racing, I find that everybody's different. Over the years, for me personally, I have figured out what works best for me. So in the morning times before I train, I just drink water. There are many reasons for this, but it works best for me. When I finished having a training session in the morning, I will always start by having water, and then I will have some protein. I really love the clear vegan protein. I usually have 1.5 or 2 scoops. Almost finished this stuff. And then I will also have some creatine monohydrate. I have the berry burst flavor, and I actually put it in with the clear protein as well, and I'll have one of those. It's kind of like when you go to these places and you mix and match everything. So I have the berry flavor, and I also have the pineapple and grapefruit flavor. Both together taste incredible. So I'll shake, 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 shake. Making sure that it's completely shooken up, whatever you say. And then we just drink it. So I'll have this whilst I'm making my breakfast, which we're about to do just now. So let's go and make breakfast. We are here in the kitchen, and I'm gonna make one of my most favorite breakfasts ever, which is porridge. So I used to not be able to eat porridge very well because I'm also gluten intolerant, and I have been since I was about 8. I struggle to eat a lot of things. Oats I couldn't digest for a long time, but I've slowly over time gradually been able to introduce that back into my diet. I like to let mine soak for quite a while so it's easier for my body to digest. But it's one of the most simple things to make. It's quick, it's easy, and it's so scrumptious. Nom nom nom! So I will usually let this right here sit for about 20 minutes. I usually just go do a bunch of other stuff, and then I come back pretty much ready to go, and then I start adding all the lovely little bits on top. Let's get waiting for 20 minutes. And we are back at the porridge. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some frozen berries. I usually buy them frozen for a number of reasons, cheaper and last longer. So I'm gonna start with a berry mix, and I'm just gonna go ahead and shove a ton in here. Oh, almost dropped it. Quite a lot. And then I'm also gonna add in some of these blueberries. So as I'm about to show you, you can see that I actually got a lot in this pot. This is not a small pot. I make a lot of porridge. I eat a lot of porridge. Look at that. That is very full. One last thing before I then start putting stuff in my bowl. I have 2 favorite protein powders. One of them is a salted caramel, and the other one is the chocolate orange. I don't have any salted caramel left, so I'm gonna be using a chocolate orange. Sometimes I just put this straight from the scoop into the bowl and eat it like that. I know, I'm a weirdo. So you probably wondered what that thing was at the end, and it was sugar-free syrup butterscotch flavor. And then I added a bunch of sunflower seeds, some chia seeds, and some kiwis. And yes, of course, with the skin on, because that's the healthiest part for you. So now we're gonna go demolish this. Now, yes, I made a lot through in that pot, and I will eat that throughout the day. So I'll have it for snack and have it just before lunch, because I'm one of these people that needs to eat a lot. So I'll make big quantities and eat pretty much when I feel I need to. Also, when I'm eating breakfast, I also make sure I'm getting some vital supplements. 3 things that I take pretty much religiously every day are vegan omegas, Bish Bash Bosh, vitamin B12, and then I also sometimes add in algal oil, even though it's pretty much the same as the vegan omega, which has got DHA and EPA in it. Quite often I like to just take these as well. So it is training time. Porridge has gone down. I've done some plans for some of my athletes, and now I'm going to go out for a bike ride. So I'll be out for an hour and a half, 2 hours depending. I'm going to be going out on my mountain bike, which you saw earlier whilst I was doing some handstands. So I will just take a banana with me, put it in my back pocket. I will also take one of these paleo bars, which are super nice. Don't necessarily always eat them, totally depends on how I feel, but I always take water in my bottle cage, hopefully getting muddy, but I will see you when I get back. Let's get cycling! Whew. So that is me back from my cycle. It was a good session, looking an absolute mess. It's starting to get really dark outside. I ended up eating the banana but not the bar, which is quite often what happens. But now I'm really looking forward to having some lunch, so let's go and see what I'll make for lunch. So after my rowing session, my flatmate decided that she wanted to have some pizza. So we decided to make our own. Because I'm gluten-free and vegan, it's pretty hard for me to find a pizza that I can buy in the store. So what I do is I buy a wrap. This time I put pesto on the bottom with some cheese, another wrap on top, some more cheese on top, and then filled it with veggies and added some Linda macaroni sausages with some more salad. Pizza time! Super delicious, super cheap. You should try it. It's ace. Hey everyone, so it's pretty dark now, but thank you so much for coming along with me on my what I eat in a day video. Yeah, a lot of things I don't usually eat. I would usually eat more whole food stuff, that stuff I'd made from scratch. So I eat not sausages, not cheese, not pesto. I usually make my own stuff. But that is just what I ate today. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you've got any questions, and yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye!